input where, let's put a blank input value, and handle here. This is spelling are correct. In the correct. It is accepting event, and in this input where we are pasting event dot target dot value. This is correct. Get val is returning true or false. This is equal to one. It is not coming. Let's save it again. Okay, just cache issue was there. So see, first of all, it is in center. Okay. So if I'll type something, nothing is coming up. But when I'll type Venkata, you have entered the right name. Right now it is coming here because we have put entire thing in the center. Okay. So that's why it is coming here. What I can do is I can put a break here. So now, see, till now it is not representing. Whenever my A comes, it is coming. Still it is not saved. But see, whenever I'm typing the predefined name, which I have kept in my JavaScript, then only it is displaying me the text. Why? Because Venkata means we have to return true. True means val will have true value, and val is getting pointed there. So any doubt in this, Venkata? Do you want me to repeat anything?
Yeah, please repeat one more time.
Okay. So starting from scratch, this was my lightning card. Then div I have used to bring everything to center. Then this is my lightning input. Input is what? This input. Okay. What I want is whenever I will be typing some predefined thing, then only it should tell me you have entered the correct name. Okay. Otherwise it shouldn't. So first of all, we have to capture what we are typing. Then only we can match it with something.
Right.
So to capture it, on key up is used. Okay. On key up will only get triggered whenever we type something. So as we will be typing something, let's say I have typed V, on key up will get triggered. It will go to handle key up. Handle key up will do what? It will accept this V and save it inside input var. Okay. So next I'll type E. Again it will get triggered, and the latest value in input var will be VE. Okay. So similarly, till I reach the end time. So whatever I'm typing, VE, so it is holding the same. Okay. So now we have to check it with Venkata if it is true or not. I mean, if they are matching or not. For that, we are introducing a get method. Okay. Get method does what? It makes it a property, returnable property. I mean, whatever thing we will write after get, it will become a property, and we can bind it like a normal property. Okay. So I can bind it with a normal property, and thing which we have to know about getter method is that it always returns something. So we have to return something, and whatever is getting returned, that gets saved in var, or you can say the getter method name. So what we have done, we have put a if condition. If this dot input var, let's say earlier ABCD was typed. So ABCD is equal to Venkata. No, it is not true. Then the control will go in else block. Okay, it will return false. So false is returned. That means val latest value is false. Until the time it will remain false, this template tag won't open up, and it won't display this text written inside it. And as soon as we are writing the correct spelling and the types, the thing which we are typing is getting stored here, input var. And when it matches with Venkata, whenever we are typing the correct spelling, it returns true. True is stored inside this val, and val is that getting binded here. And if true is equal to true, that means you are happy to go inside and you can print this paragraph. Okay. So that's how we are achieving this functionality. Again, till that Venkat P thing, it is returning false. Okay, getter method keeps on executing every time it receives different input file. Okay, till the time Venkat is there, it is saying no, it is not matching. So please go into the second block, which is else. So as soon as I type A, again the handle key up get executed and input where has the latest value, that is Venkata. And in this case, Venkata will match with Venkata and return me true. True gets saved in this val, which is a getter. That means it can be data binded, and we are binding it here, and ultimately we have this text. Okay, little bit clear.
Yeah. Bit complex.
Yeah, a bit complex, but a very useful thing whenever we have to do some validations in LWC.
Mhm.
But with practice learning.
In Salesforce related LWC, we use all these concepts.
Yes, each and every concept is used there.
Okay.
Each and every, especially whenever we want to build something like a search functionality, like we have Google. Okay, so in this case, always this getter is used. Getter, because it keeps on checking every time that what you are typing. So should I give some results or not? Let me show you a real-time example. Causing not copy on this pilot. So see, this component is built in LWC. Okay. So when I'm trying something, searching, so see, it is giving me option. So this kind of functionality uses this. And when I'm selecting this, it is displaying me this table. So this is with the help of template for each. If it is having more than one records, so it displays more than one. So this is with the help of template for each.
Okay.
And if data is coming, then only this opens up. Earlier you will see nothing was there. It was totally blank. So in that case, template if else is used. Only it is opening up, this table is opening up when the data is coming. Otherwise it is not opening up.
Okay.
This is a read time serial. And I'm using center for this, absolute center for this, bringing this into center. Table thing we learning in some time.
Okay.
So this was about template, if else, and getter method.